Tired of Trello boards that look like digital junk drawers? Let's transform that chaos into a productivity powerhouse. Hey everyone, welcome to the ultimate guide on mastering Trello. Today, we're diving deep into how to use Trello properly so you can boost your productivity and collaborate like a pro. First, let's talk board organization. Think of your board as the main hub for your project. Create a new board for each distinct project or area of your life. Give it a clear, descriptive name like Project Alpha or Marketing Campaign Q3. Next, set up your lists. A classic setup is to do, doing, and done, but feel free to customize them to match your workflow. For example, you could have backlog, in progress, review, and approved. Now, let's populate those lists with cards. Each card represents a task. Click at a card and give it a concise, action-oriented title like Write blog post or Design new logo. Click on a card to open it up and unleash its full potential. Add a detailed description, set a due date, assign team members, and attach relevant files. Use labels to categorize your tasks. Think high priority, marketing, or bug fix. Power-ups are your secret weapon. Integrate tools like Calendar for scheduling, Slack for communication, or even custom fields for advanced tracking to add a power-up. Click on power-ups and search for the ones you want. Trello shines when it comes to team collaboration. Use the @ symbol to mention team members in comments, keeping everyone in the loop. Move cards between lists to reflect progress, providing a real-time visual overview of your project. So, to recap, organize your boards, optimize your workflow, collaborate effectively, and utilize power-ups. That's how you unlock Trello's true potential. Now go forth and conquer your tasks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.